Did you know you can customize how me appears on your profile card? In this video, I will show you how to adjust the text style, thickness, and color on your profile card in the Contacts app. As an example, we will use a thin text style with a blue gradient color. First, open Contacts app and then tap Me at the top. Tap your profile card, then tap Edit icon on the card. Here, tap Me to start adjusting the text. Now, choose a font style. You can tap each one to preview it. Next, adjust the text thickness by sliding the bar. Slide left for thinner text or right for thicker text. As the example, let's slide it a bit to left to make it thinner. Then choose the text color. At the bottom, you will see several options: adaptive color, solid color, gradients, and a color picker. As the example, let's choose the blue gradient button. Tap anywhere on the card to close the tool. Finally, tap Done to save your profile card change. And that's how you adjust the text on your profile card. It's quick and easy on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.